Assalamualaikum students, this is Iftikhar Ahmed. Today's our topic is Introduction to Computers for grade 6. The topic is what is a computer? To understand, a computer is an electronic device that manipulates information or data. It has the ability to store, retrieve, and process the data. You may already know that you can use a computer to type documents, send email, play games, and browse the web. You can also use it to edit or create spreadsheet presentations and even the videos. Now we will understand what is the processing of data into the computer. How does the computer process? The computer requirement are to process the data is firstly input, then storage, finally process, and then give the result which is in the monitor form we call output. To give the input to the computer, what we need a keyboard, because in a keyboard we just type, or we do have a mouse, we just drag and drop anything. The data can be in a whatever form, it can be the videos, audios, whatever, like a files or a text. Throughout the keyboard we just input. Then finally, what after the computer does after inputting the data, it stores the data into the hard disk. The work of a hard disk is to store anything. As I just told you, data can be in any form, so whatever the data we just provide to the computer, it is stored in a hard disk. Here you can see the hard disk. This is the hard disk where the computer stores the data. After storing the data, what a computer actually do? The computer actually, after inputting the data into the hard disk, the computer process. The processing is a way where computer receive the data from the input. I just told you, throughout the mouse or keyboard, then it stores the data into the hard disk, then finally it process. It's a processing which actually the machine automatically does. After processing the data, it gives the result in an output form which we see on the monitor screen. Here you can see what we did: the input, then storage, then process, and then output. Thanks for watching. This is Qasimabad, grade 6. Allah Hafiz.